Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is another subsidiary or branch of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian is one of the most famous perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They have a very extensive lineup in their portfolio, hundreds of perfumes. They've been around about 50 years or more, and I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances, and each time they impressed me so much, especially for the price. So when I saw this beauty, this one is called Sapil Disclosure, and this is the white edition. So I unboxed the Disclosure original, and that was very good, especially again for the price. This one, Sapil Disclosure White, Eau Parfum 100 ml. You can find it in United Kingdom under £25. And it's quite readily available. If you do your research, if you Google it, it will come up. In other countries you have to Google and see if it's available, and if it's available, how much it goes for. So let's do the unboxing. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, very good value for money, and they usually smell good. Okay, so sorry about the noise. As usual, you know, Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price, under £25. As you can see, quite a nice box. It's got like texture to it. It's nice. It's like an icy, yeah. Anyway, so come on, Swiss Arabian, don't let me down. I should have thought about this before, isn't it? Oh, no, it's better. Okay, so we open it like this, and then the bottles. The Sapil line is like a cheaper line of Swiss Arabian, but don't let that fool you, because they are very good, especially for the price. So simple box, simple bottling, and that is what I like. Give me the simplest bottling and presentation, but give me a best juice you can, and that would be amazing. So as you can see, very simple, subtle, nothing to brag about. Plastic cap, and here we go. This is the atomizer, is modern. Fantastic atomizer. Woo! Is you put juice out so much, and also it's like a mist. It's very good. So how is Sapil? This is Disclosure White Eau de Parfum 100 ml. This is aimed at, I think, men, but let's see how it goes. Okay, here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo, aromatic. The first thing that hits me is the aromaticness, and also the herbal. It's very herbal, it's very aromatic. Goodness me, this reminds me of some of the classics from 80s and 90s. Yeah, very herbal. Right now is a citrus element in the beginning for the first impression, and that citrus is bergamot, lemon, maybe a little bit of grapefruit as well. So it's quite big on the citrus right now. It opened up super citrusy. Yeah, beautiful citrus. The citrus is gorgeous. It's very uplifting, it's very inviting, it's very happy. It's like a summer in a bottle, basically. Yeah, and after those citruses, which has got a very refreshing feel to it, is the herbal feel to it. It's very herbal. It's green, it's grassy, it's leafy. This is a summer in a bottle. I can smell something spicy in here as well. Smells like cardamom to me, but it could be something else. but it's got a very good nice amount of spiciness to it, but it's not too much at the moment. Everything is in working balance, so nothing is out of place, nothing's too much, nothing's too little. There's a definitely floral aspect to this, especially white floral. At the moment I can smell at least tuberose and maybe jasmine as well. So it's like a tuberose, jasmine, white floral feel to it, but it's not the biggest player right now, but you can detect it and you can smell it and you can feel it. It's a woody backbone to it. Is a woody and a little bit grassy, little bit herbally, little bit leafy, woody. Yeah, it's very like outdoorsy, like you're going through the woods and meadow, and you're smelling all these elements: the grass, the leaves, the little bit of earthiness, and also the trees themselves, the leaves and the trunk of the tree, the little bit of blossoms, and those blossoms come from the white florals. It's got a hint of leatheriness to it, not much, it's just a hint of leatheriness right now. Or this is first impression, first sniff. So hint of leatheriness, hint of woodiness in the background, but they are clean. So this is a very clean fragrance. From the beginning, from the get-go, is very clean. So definitely big citrus, especially lemon and bergamot and grapefruit most likely. It's very herbal, so it's got that green, grassy, leafy feel to it, and white floral dominant. Definitely I smell something like a tuberose and jasmine, and also woody backbone. Definitely cedar. It could be some vetiver in here because of that grassiness, and also it's got a hint at the moment in the background, hint of leathery or suede-ish. So it's not a leather, or it's not a dark leather by any stretch of the imagination. It's very clean leather, and the leather is like a suede, more like just a leather. Okay, so right now I can smell these things and they are very good. This is opened up beautifully. This is definitely masculine. It leans masculine because of this, the things I mentioned. Apart from the white florals, giving a little bit of softness there, but the rest of it is quite masculine. Although if you like this kind of fragrances, a lady can easily pull it off. To my nose, this is easily could be unisex. In terms of the age, definitely 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it giving me a little bit of classical feel, especially 80s and 90s feel to it, because of that green, grassy, herbal, woody, little bit of white floral aspect, and also the big citrus in the beginning, and little bit of that leather. So all these together are giving me a little bit of vibe of 80s and 90s. So I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. In terms of application, this is could be anything. It could be casual, daytime, nighttime, casual, special occasion, evening, formal. So it could be anything. It's very versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down, so you can choose whatever you want with it. It could be easily somebody's signature scent. Is that good? In terms of season, they're definitely better suited for warmer weather, because this is like a summer in a bottle. Very refreshing, very fresh, very clean. So overall it's better suited for warmer weather, but let's see if it's got a strength to it. If it's got a strength to it, then you can use it all year round as well. In the next video I'll let you know the performance, the longevity and the development, things like that. But for first impression, absolutely yes, I'm loving it. This is up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. Just fresh, refreshing, clean. First it hits you is the citruses, and citrus is massive in here. It's like a citrus bomb. After citrus is the herbal, green, grassy feel. After that is the white florals, and after that is the woody base plus a little bit of suede or leather. So this kind of fragrance is just up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances, and it didn't disappoint whatsoever. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Absolutely, I'm loving it. Beautiful, gorgeous. So If you like this kind of fragrances, this is very, very good. Under £25, that is a bargain. But let's see if the performance is good. If the performance is good, we have a big banger on our hand. Absolutely a big banger. But the last one, it was quite good. The original Disclosure, which was like a fresh Fahrenheit feel to it, that was 6 to 8 hours in terms of performance. So if this one is similar, yes, we have a big banger under £25 for that price, for this smell, for this quality, for this presentation. Yes, I am absolutely loving it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make the perfume from the scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. They are true handmade fragrances. They are true handmade perfumes. They are one of the best ingredients in the world. You can't find better than them for the price. Yes, they are ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural. They smell mesmerizingly beautiful, very, very mysterious, very unique, very artistic. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.